In this video, I'll show you step by step how to delete a received payment that has already been deposited in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks and accidentally deposited a payment or need to correct a mistake, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand one thing. In QuickBooks Online, once a payment is deposited, you cannot delete the payment directly. You must first remove it from the deposit, and then you can delete the payment. Step 1. Go to Sales. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Sales and then click on Customers. Step 2. Find the customer payment. Locate the customer whose payment you want to delete. Click on their name to open their transaction list. Find the payment that shows as deposited and click on it. You'll notice that it says the payment has been deposited and it will show a link to the deposit. Step 3. Open the deposit. Click on the deposit link. This will take you to the bank deposit screen where that payment is included. Step 4. Remove the payment from the deposit. Inside the deposit screen, you'll see a list of payments included in that deposit. Find the payment you want to remove. Simply uncheck the box next to that payment. After unchecking it, click Save and Close. Now the payment is no longer tied to the deposit. Step 5. Delete the payment. Now go back to Sales, then Customers, and open the same customer again. Click on the payment you just removed from the deposit. At the bottom of the payment screen, click More and then select Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes. And that's it. The deposited payment has now been successfully deleted. Quick tip, if the deposit only had that one payment and you don't need the deposit at all, you can also delete the entire deposit instead of removing individual payments. That's how you delete a received payment that has already been deposited in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple QuickBooks tutorials made for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.